Ikoula presents Cloud Ikoula 1. With Ikoula's extranet, you can deploy your app in just one click. First of all, pick the geographical zone where you want your app to be hosted. Let's take Miami. You can choose between the OneClick app or Linux distributions. You'll find here the 10 first apps available and pre-installed. For Nextcloud, to Kubernetes, or even the infamous Wordpress, all your favorite apps are there. Let's pick MariaDB as an example. Then, choose the offer that suits you the best, but keep in mind you can upgrade or downgrade your VMs. Let's choose round 16 for example. Name your VM. Now, just wait a few seconds. Do not change nor refresh the web page. And voila! You'll get your IP and password for your server as well as information about your application right below.